So I got some leftover corn here. I'm gonna show you a quick way to make some Mexican street corn. This is actually corn that came out of our garden. It's super sweet corn, and I love it as it is, but for leftovers here, I'm gonna make something special here. So Mexican style street corn, quick and easy way. So I got another plate, and I'll put it here in the microwave. I'm gonna put it on for 2 minutes and 30 seconds to heat it up. On high. See how that works. And here's my secret ingredient. These are all the ingredients I will use, besides the corn, obviously. Looks pretty hot, maybe a little too hot, I don't know, but that'll work for now. Maybe 2.5 minutes is too long, I don't know. So one thing I do here, I butter it first. Hot. Okay, nice and buttery. Next, should open this before. Mayonnaise. So normally this is crema is used. This is a fun, quick way to do this. So I remember I had this on the streets of Mexico, Mexican street corn. So good. I've craved it in different times since, and this is the closest thing that's quick you can buy with stuff that I have in the fridge normally when I do this. But you can buy Mexican crema, I think I'm saying that right, from the store. Anyway, I like to get a good amount on here. And then it's kind of a gross process, but it's really good. Then I just put chili powder on it. So it's such a great combination of sweet and heat. And that's about, let's make sure I get it all the way around. Anyway, I hope you enjoy your Mexican street corn as well as I do, or use the quick and easy version. It's really good. Even better that it's came out of my garden and it's super sweet corn. Very good.